Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here with Qwest's 22 RLS. Lots of space on this boat. A great way to fit a big family, lots of friends onto one boat, one place. It is 22-foot long deck, 8.5-foot wide, 25-inch buoyant tubes that make this boat really enjoyable and really fun. We do have the frosted cayenne here look to it and the black powder coated rails. So as you come on aboard, number one thing I notice here is just lots of space. Whether you have someone who wants to lay out here on this front seat, or you really want to pile, 3 people across here, a great way to fit everyone on this 22-foot boat. You can get up to 13 people on this. Maybe it's not the most comfortable 13, but you can do it on the nights where everyone wants to be out on the lake together and enjoying it. So come back here a little further on the boat. You notice a really nice helm here. It does have a Bluetooth stereo, has a nice captain seat, and has the Garmin built-in gauge package, which tells you everything from water temperature to speed to RPMs. Really nice package there. In the front, we come back here, a couple other really cool features that I can show off to you here for just a second. We have these portable cup holders, so whether you want to put them over on a rail, they work great on a rail, but they also, can be placed under a seat for an additional cup holder for someone else to use to hold a drink. So we get here toward the back, like I said, there's built-in USB ports on all 4 of the seats in the front and the back, and one for the driver as well. With everything we sell here at the Charles Mill Marina, we do include a mooring cover, a full safety package, an on-water lesson, and delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio at no additional charge. We're also going to fill that gas tank up for you for the first time, and we're going to handle all of your titling and registration needs here in-house. If you think this might be the boat for you, feel free to check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. If you want to talk to one of our team members, give us a call, text us 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.